Have you ever paused and truly listened to the way you speak to yourself? Every word, every whisper, every thought you form in your mind is a message to your body. And the truth is, your body listens. Not only does it listen, it obeys. Each part of every cell is intelligent. Each organ, every heartbeat, every drop of blood is responding to what you tell it. So let me ask you, what have you been saying? Have you been telling yourself, I'm tired, I'm sick, I'm broken, I'm not enough? If yes, then it's no surprise that your body, your energy, and your life begin to reflect exactly that. Because when you say, I am sick, your body doesn't argue. It listens. It amplifies. If you were 1% unwell, your own words may magnify it into 500%. But here's the beautiful part. You can choose a different message. You can speak differently, and your body will listen to that too. So today, I invite you to speak with power. I invite you to speak with healing in your voice. I invite you to speak to your body, your soul, and your cells with love. Repeat after me, or simply let the words wash over you. I am healing. I am whole. I am well in ways I can't even explain. Every cell in my body is listening to me, and I speak love to it now. Every cell is restoring itself. Every tissue, every organ is returning to balance and harmony. I trust my body. I trust its intelligence. I trust its design. I was created in strength, with wisdom, with divine perfection. I am not broken. I am becoming better every moment. I am aligned with health, with joy, with ease. I speak gently to myself. I speak kindly to myself. I speak as a friend, as a guide, as someone who truly loves and honors who I am. I release every label that no longer serves me. I am not a patient. I am not a problem. I am not a diagnosis. I am a miracle in motion. I am a masterpiece being revealed. When I feel tired, I say, my body is asking for rest, and I honor it. When I feel low, I say, my soul is calling for light, and I welcome it. I do not fight my body. I work with it. I support it. I nourish it, and I love it back to full strength. I am resilient. I am vibrant. I am full of life. I am flowing with energy. I am magnetic to wellness. My body hears the truth I speak, and the truth is this: I am stronger today than I was yesterday, and I will be stronger still tomorrow. I speak blessings over my body. I speak clarity over my mind. I speak peace over my heart. I speak gratitude over every breath. If I ever find myself saying something negative, I forgive myself and I gently shift. I choose new words. Instead of, I'm always tired, I say, energy is coming back to me. I feel it building. Instead of, I can't, I say, I am learning, I am growing, I am figuring it out. Instead of, I'm not good enough, I say, I am already enough. I am more than enough. I talk to my heart and I say, keep beating with joy, with calm, with rhythm. I talk to my lungs and I say, thank you for every breath. Let each one be full and free. I talk to my skin and I say, glow, heal, protect me like the shield you are. I talk to my brain and I say, stay sharp, stay peaceful. You're doing so well. I talk to my soul and I say, thank you for carrying me, for speaking truth, even when I didn't listen. Even in my weakest moments, I am not alone. My body is with me. My cells are working for me. And the universe is on my side. I don't have to understand everything. I don't need to know every answer. I just need to speak as if life is getting better, because it is. I choose now to speak words that heal. I choose now to speak life. I choose now to speak as someone who matters, because I do, because I always did. I am not my past. I am not my pain. I am not my worst day. I am the light that survived all of it. I am the voice that kept speaking when it was hard. And now that I know the power of that voice, I will use it with care. I am proud of how far I've come. I am in love with who I am becoming. I am alive, awake, and aware. The world may not always see my light, but I do. And that's enough to make it shine brighter. I trust the timing of my healing. I trust the process of growth. And I trust the words that I speak today will shape the reality I live tomorrow. So from now on, I speak like a healer. I speak like a queen. I speak like someone who has remembered who she truly is. Because I am not just speaking to myself. I am speaking to the universe within me, to the Creator who made me, to the divine intelligence that listens to every word. And I say now, thank you, I love you, we are well. And so it is.